Have you experienced that? You had learnt the chapter properly, understanding word by word, but later forgot it after a month. It is quite common. And you might have experienced that also. This technique was developed by Nobel laureate Richard Feynman, one of the greatest physicists of all time. The first step of this technique is to read the concepts properly, understanding word by word. Second step of this technique is to teach the concept to someone. You can even teach it to a soft toy. Understand which concept you weren't able to teach properly. This technique will help you understand the chapter properly and therefore score better marks in exams. Remember that you might not be able to notice result in starting days. But believe me and keep doing it. You will begin to notice results slowly. Remember that you might not be able to notice result in starting days. But believe me and keep doing it. You will begin to notice results slowly. Have you ever experienced that you sat for revision and flipped page of book and be like, yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know this also, that also. And then flip the next page and be like, I know this also. And in exams be like, oh God, from where these people find these questions? Will I even pass?
How to solve this problem? Try to remember and recite without looking in the book, and then check with the book what all you missed. Practice doesn't make perfect. For example, you know trigonometry, but don't know quadratic equations properly. Would practicing more trigonometry questions make you better? Practicing the thing in which you are weak is called deliberate practice.
In 2014, you see a very narrow stance. The head is falling on the offside, resulting in a short forward and a cross stride. Therefore, the understanding of where the off stump is slightly blurred. In 2018, you see a much wider stance. Head is on top of the off stump. He's leading with his head and his front shoulder. The forward stride is long and straight. Therefore, the bat meets the ball under his eyes besides the front leg. Now let's see this from side on. Much wider stance. The head is slightly on top of the front leg. The stride is a fairly long one, and the weight gets transferred at the time of impact. Ball meets the bat besides the front leg. And that's the key difference between Virat Kohli, the test batsman in 2014, and Virat Kohli, the test batsman in 2018. It started with the head, the wider stance, leading with the head and the shoulder, and a fairly long forward stride is what has made all the difference.
So practice doesn't make better, but deliberate practice does.